Hey. Ooh, someone found some water. So we're up the Gregory Canyon Trail. Doobie, come here. In Chautauqua Park, and got a pretty decent view right here. The Flatirons are just behind that ridge. See, there's Boulder down there. The CU campus. A lot of girls wearing Uggs down there. Be careful. And some more of Chautauqua over there. Pretty sure it's Flagstaff Canyon Road. Some good bouldering over there. But it's just gorgeous here. Nice rock outcrop. Doobie! Hey!